Yes, so now we there here still. Our brother Gbadebo Rhodes Vivour, who they call GRV, former PDP candidate for the last gubernatorial election for Lagos. In don't hear them. Talk say um Igbos and non-Indigenes were there for Lagos. No be them be the problem of Lagos. No be them they thief all the property for Lagos. No be them they thief all the assets for Lagos. Now still the same so-called Lagos indigenes. Now them go still the thief am. You understand? People like Tinubu. He mentioned Tinubu. He mentioned his wife. He mentioned other people. You understand? So make una take am easy with xenophobia. No, they do like say. Anyway, make we hear them, see what's in the yarn, make we hear them.
When they say that non-indigenous want to take over, we had two commodores that Igbo has gone. Are they the ones that converted Lagos State property to their personal property? The one on Body Loan? Or the former deputy governor's house that's on Queen's Drive? That's now somebody's property as well? They are not the ones that did it. You go to all the indigenous communities, Badagry, Ojo, Ikorodu, even Ibejuleki. Go and ask the indigenes who is taking their land. Let me give you an example. In Bejuleki, if you know Amen Estate, opposite Amen Estate, they will tell you that the current First Lady has gotten this new era, this land for new era, her foundation. Go and talk to the Bejuleki indigenes there. They just came one day and said they are taking all this land, that they will settle them. They say, okay, you settle us, your government, at least you settle us now. When it was time for settlement, they came with bag of 50 naira notes and cola. When the people saw it and started complaining, their soldiers just started shooting the air and chased them away. Now today, that land is now for the First Lady for her foundation. So who are the biggest land grabbers? Is it the non-indigenes or the non-Yoruba speaking people in Lagos? Is it the non-Yoruba speaking people in Lagos that are converting body loan that belongs to Lagos State? Go and look at all the properties that Lagos State had after the capital moved away from Lagos to Abuja, and see who has just been taking it for their personal possession. So this idea of people want to take over, help me make it make sense. APGA has produced Igbo candidates in this Lagos State. Did the Igbo people or non-indigenous vote for him? Go and look for the results that man got. I promise you, not up to 600 people. Not up to 600 people. They voted for PDP, right? And PDP produced an indigene of Lagos as a candidate. So really, if someone wants to take over your land, an APGA and Igbo party has come out with a candidate, maybe all of them will gather in their town square and say, oh yeah, all of us, so this is our brother, let's vote for him. Oh. Did they do that? So when you see all these things that they put out there, you realize that it's just a distraction. They want you to be so focused on tribalism while they continue looting and stealing for the Commonwealth.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima.